Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about immediate i900 Hiprex Real or fake, right? So we will talk about this platform review, whether it's a scam or legit. The immediate 190 Hiprex is a cryptocurrency trading platform that has been generated a lot of buzz in the crypto community. However, with so many scams and fraudulent platform out there, it's crucial to determine whether the immediate 190 Hyprex is a legitimate tool or just another scam. Let's dive into the details and uncover the truth. Background and legitimacy. The immediate platform claims to be offer an advanced trading platform, right, and to offer and that's utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to help traders navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. However, upon closer inspection, there is some red flags that raises really a big claims. Now, what are these claims here? Unclear or misleading terms and conditions, particularly regarding with the withdrawal policies and fees, aggressive marketing tactics, limited transparency, lack of regulators. So this is very important because cryptocurrency is still growing and developing in this whole world, and you need to be trust on the big website with a lot of credibility. So don't just run behind the cheaps crazy money or just quick money, because 99% of those are completely scam. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.